This Appalachian Real Estate property video is presented by Jeff and Debbie Hyatt. Brand new. Just listed this brand new, just built home. This home has vinyl and rock exterior with a side and front covered porch. Great room is spacious with a hearth ready for your fireplace or stove, and double sliding glass doors bring in loads of natural light. The cathedral ceiling in the great room makes for a wide open spacious living area. 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, one is ensuite. There is a large closet in the hallway for the washer and dryer. This home already has the landscaping started, and is ready for your personal touch. There are many possibilities for the home: vacation home, starter home, retirement spot, or investment. There is easy access to this home from a gravel driveway. The location is just a few minutes drive from Bryson City. For more information, review the